Okay, so slide 4, we have some formulas for the circumference of a circle. Okay, so that 3.14 we kept getting on the previous slide, okay, that's the approximation of pi. Okay, so what I would do, I like the second formula better, guys. Circumference is equal to pi times diameter. Okay, circumference is equal to 3.14 times diameter, because pi is approximately 3.14. Okay, this other formula works. Okay, c is equal, circumference is equal to 2 times pi times r. Okay, look at this picture here. Notice the diameter is all the way through the middle of the circle, but the radius is halfway through, so the diameter could be thought of as two radiuses, two radii. Okay, so this is a radius right here. This is a radius right here. So you could think of this whole diameter as two radiuses, two radii. Okay, so you could take two radii times 3.14. 2 times 3.14 times radius. Okay, but again, if I'm going to kind of encourage you guys just to stick with the formula that we looked at on this previous slide, that the circumference of a circle is always equal to 3.14 times the diameter. Okay, the circumference is equal to pi times diameter. Okay, we just kind of talked about slide 5. Okay, so let's not worry about that if you're quarantined. But let's work out some problems. Problem 6, find the circumference of the circle. Okay, we have a picture of a circle here. Okay, they're giving you a radius of 8. Okay, if it was me, I'm going to think of this as the circumference is equal to pi times diameter. And I'm going to get you guys a pi symbol on your screen so you don't have to do what I'm doing. You have to put that on, but it will be there for you. Okay, so C is equal to P times D, pi times diameter. Okay, you just need to know that if this is the radius, okay, we don't know what the diameter is yet, but we do know that the diameter would be 2 times the radius of 8. So if the diameter is 2 times 8, which is 16, okay, the diameter is twice as big as the radius of 8. Now we can use the formula. So C equals 3.14 times 16. So I'm going to use my calculator, and there will be a link on your screen, 3.14 times 16. There will be a link for a calculator. 50.24 centimeters. Okay, now we're not talking area, so we don't put a square on the label. It's just 50.24 centimeters. Okay, so again, I'm going to use circumference is equal to pi times d. Okay, we need to know the diameter. So you have to take the radius and double it to get the diameter of 16. Just take 3.14 times 16. Okay, try the next slide and then check it with the answer. Okay, in this problem, we want to find the circumference. Okay, we know circumference equals pi times diameter. In this problem, they gave you the diameter. Okay, they gave you the diameter. So you can just use that 8 for the diameter. Remember, diameter is all the way across. So we could put type in C equals 3.14 times 8. And 3.14 times 8 is 25.12 centimeters. So 25.12 centimeters around the edge of the circle. Okay, try Try the next 2 slides and then check with a video. Okay, don't just copy what I'm doing. Okay, check, do them first and then check. And again, I will have a pi symbol that you can copy and paste on your screen. Okay, find the circumference of the circle with a radius of 6. Okay, I'm going to write down the formula. C equals pi d. But before I use the formula, I need to use the diameter. And I don't know the diameter because they give you the radius. They give you the radius is 6. But I know that the diameter is twice as big as that. I know that the diameter must be equal to 12 centimeters. So I'm going to use the formula C is equal to pi d. I'm going to put 3.14 in for pi. Diameter is 12. And I get 3.14 times 12 is 37.68 centimeters. Okay, the next problem. What is the circumference of a 12-inch pizza? Okay, a 12-inch pizza. Now, you may not have known this, but a pizza, when they say it's a 12-inch pizza, that's the diameter. Okay, they use the diameter to represent the size of the pizza. Okay, it's 12 inches in diameter. So we're just going to use C equals PD. C is equal to pi times D. C is equal to pi times diameter. So we're going to take 3.14 times 12. Okay, and that gives us the same answer as the other problem, 37.68 inches. So there's 37.68 inches around the outside of a 12-inch pizza. Okay, we'll use another video to do some of the other slides. Okay, guys, let me know if you have questions. And one more thing, you could have been using 2 pi r for all of these problems, but I'm just trying to gear you to stick with circumference is equal to pi d. Okay, keep me posted.